Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, Ron's Keto Cafe. Today we're going to make creamy avocado oil bacon mayonnaise. Are you kidding me? For this you need 5 slices of chopped bacon, 2 eggs, room temperature, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard or mustard of your choice, a pinch of salt. Today we're using we're going to be using Redmond's real salt today, or pink Himalayan salt. A fourth of a cup of bacon grease, a half of a cup of avocado oil, and a half of a freshly squeezed lemon. And I have all the directions on the timeline, and as we get into the video, it's pretty simple. It doesn't matter really what order you put all this stuff in. Just be careful when you don't crack the eggs, and you're gonna need a stick blender to mix everything up and to turn it into mayonnaise. And then after I got it going into the mayonnaise, I transferred it over to a small dish, and it was really creamy, smooth. And then after it sat in the refrigerator overnight, it kind of firmed up. And yeah, I was just cleaning up my mess over there, and I made be careful not make a mess like I did. And yeah, so let's just go right into the video, and as you're playing it, and I'll come back and talk about it at the end. Forgot to mention at the beginning of the video that you need kind of like a largemouth mason jar, and this is the mayonnaise. You see it was really nice and liquidy there, but again, after I had it in the refrigerator overnight, it really firmed up to a nice smoothly mayonnaise texture. And I get my inspiration. I just do Google search and go on to various websites, and if I find something interesting, and if I find a particular recipe that I really like, I was just giving it a try and seeing if I really like this. I'm planning on doing strict carnivore next week, and my only regret doing these videos is I wish I had more room to work within a nice clean countertop area, but it is what it is. So, but again, thank you guys so much for coming along with the journey, and that's what it's all about. Look at how nice and smooth and creamy that was, and I tasted that; it was wicked good. But anyways, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Have a great day, guys. Thanks for watching.